Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Venmo credit card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So to get logged in your Venmo credit card account, all you need to do first of all is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.venmo.com/creditcard. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the sign in and apply option to get logged in into your Venmo credit card. So after you have done this, you will end up in this page. So simply enter your email address, mobile phone number or username and hit the continue button. Then type in your password of your account and tap in sign in option. After you do this, you will get logged into your Venmo credit card account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.